Hi, welcome to Macquarie University's enrolment tutorials. If you are a new student, congratulations on your offer. We will run you through exactly what you need to do in order to enrol and register for classes via the online student management system, eStudent. This tutorial will show you how to log into eStudent and how to accept your offer. Once you're on the eStudent homepage, you will be presented with this login box. Firstly, you need to set up your OneID. Click the first time login process link and follow the prompts to create your new OneID. This is the login you will use to access your student email, Macquarie University Wi-Fi, and iLearn. It consists of your 8-digit student ID and a password of your choice. If you applied through UAC, you can retrieve your student ID on the enrolment webpage, which will be listed on the webpage below. Otherwise, your student ID would have been provided to you on your offer letter. In this process, you will be notified of your student email address. Remember to take note of this. All correspondence from the university will be sent to this address. You can log into your email via gmail.com. If you have any problems activating your OneID, you can always contact the IT help desk on 02 9850 4357 or free call 1800 67 4357. To log in, type your Macquarie student ID in the student ID box. Next, type in your password. You are now logged into eStudent. In eStudent, you can accept your offer, confirm and update your details, enroll in units, register in classes, and continue on to the next steps to complete your enrolment. You can also view any direct applications you may have submitted, view your results each session, and pay any outstanding fees or debt you may have. Let's begin with accepting your offer and submitting your government forms. Please note, this step is only required for domestic students. If you are an international student, you won't be able to see this tab, as you will accept your offer via the admissions process with Macquarie International. So if you are an international student or have already completed this step, head over to Tutorial 2, Updating Your Personal Details. To begin accepting your offer, click on the My Offer tab after logging into eStudent. Here, you will be able to see your offer, the commencement year of your offer, and the session you are due to commence your course. If we look over to the offer status, we can see that you are yet to accept your offer. If you click on the red View button, you will come to see this screen. If you wish to accept your offer, click on the green Accept button. You will receive a confirmation that you have accepted. If you click on the Return to Offers Overview button, you will see that your offer status is now admitted, meaning that you are now admitted into your course. If you have any issues, you can always contact Student Connect, and they will be happy to assist you. Now that you are admitted into your course, the next step is to submit your government forms. Depending on the offer you have received, you may be eligible for Commonwealth assistance. If you are eligible for Commonwealth assistance, you will need to submit an electronic Commonwealth assistance form, or ECAF, and submit a Student Services and Amenities Fee Help form, SA Help, if applicable. You will only need to submit your forms once, unless you change your course later or take a leave of absence longer than the allowable leave of absence duration. You can view the allowable leave of absence duration on the Returning to Studies After Absence page on the Macquarie University website. To submit your ECAF form, on the My Offer screen, select Submit Commonwealth Assistance Form, ECAF, on the left-hand side. It will then take you to this page. If you select the red Add New button, the form will appear for you to complete. Go through and complete the form. You will need your tax file number if you are eligible and wish to defer your fees. If you've successfully completed the form, You should receive this message. If you don't, please submit a new form. You may have skipped something. A Student Services and Amenities Fee Help Form, or SA Help Form, will allow you to defer the Student Services and Amenities Fee. If you are eligible and wish to defer this fee as well, you must submit a new SA Help form. Again, on the left-hand side, click Submit Commonwealth Assistance Form ECAF. Click Add New. Click Complete Form beside Request for a SA Help Loan, and then complete the form and submit it. If the form has been automatically approved, the following message will display. If you do not see this message, you will need to submit another form. You're all done! You have now submitted your government forms. In Tutorial 2, we will update your personal details. See you there!